हाय एवरीवन, आज हम बात करने वाले हैं टॉप 10 इमर्जिंग यूनिवर्सिटी में से एक इंजीनियरिंग यूनिवर्सिटी जो काफ़ी फेमस है यूरोप में। बात करने वाला हूँ चेक टेक्निकल यूनिवर्सिटी। ये जो कैंपस है वो इलेक्ट्रिकल एंड इलेक्ट्रॉनिक की ये फैकल्टी डिपार्टमेंट है। पर जब चेक टेक्निकल यूनिवर्सिटी की बात आती है, इट इज़ एन amazing university and it is truly emerging university when it comes to Europe. Yes, because they are giving amazing knowledge. When I took feedback of lot of international students, now why it is good, let me tell you. When it was established, how many students are studying over here, which faculties there are, and whether you should study or not, I will be giving complete detail. But before that, I'm your friend and mentor Bhavik, exploring different university around the world for you, and we provide online and offline both the services. So if you are from any part of the world, yes, you can opt first step overseas service, because when it comes to Czech, as in first step overseas, we are the only company on YouTube which has informative videos on different public universities, living expense in India and everything. So when you think Czech, you have to think first step overseas. Now let me come to Czech Technical University. So when we talk about this university, is 100 years old university. It is a public university. So there are more than 1700 academic and teaching staff who are in Czech Technical University. There are more than 18,000 students studying in this university, and as you saw that wherever you can see, it is the campus of CTU. It is a very big university, and but whether you are from whichever part of India or from abroad, but when it comes to CTU, you have to be very focused student. Why? Because when it comes to Czech Technical University, they focus on studies, they focus on practical part. So as a student, there are lectures 5 days or 4 days a week as well. So as an international student, you should be very clear that you may face problem if you are focusing on part-time jobs. So yes, otherwise there is a faculty of computing, there is a faculty of mechanical, there is faculty of business management. You name, they have a faculty, and the fee starts from 2,500 to up till 5,000 euros. The main intake is September. They do take entrance exam, and the processing time of admission, they take approx 15 days to 3 months when it comes to CTU. We are having a lot of students who are really focused and want to study in this university. So yes, I come to different university, I explore them, and if I think that yes, this is a good university where you should study, then only I make a video. And this is a university truly for international students, and you are going to have amazing knowledge. Fees is nominal. September intake, English taught program, which are more than 50 programs which are taught in bachelor's and master's both. So if you want to study, remember one name, call us now for more information. Your friend and mentor Bhavik.